So if you ever ask questions like, I wonder if I was acting authentic in that situation. What does authenticity mean to me anyway? Does it even matter that I express myself authentically? What if I don't? Am I going to be punished? And what if I do want to be more authentic? How do I do it? What do I do? So if you have any kind of self-inquiry like these, most likely you'll have to deal with this interesting topic, the boundary setting. And I have to be honest, for quite a while, I was a little bit turned off by the words boundary setting because the energy of boundaries kind of gave me this negative connotation of you have to put up a wall, a rigid wall, and make sure that people don't cross this line. If they do cross it, cut their fingers or toes off, right? It sounds really scary. But anyway, what I truly learned throughout my journey is it's important to honor our bottom line. The bottom line of what? The bottom line of our well-being towards peace. And peace, in my definition, is point of ease, where we really allow ourselves to receive that gentleness and flexibility in different relationships and also with ourselves. So anyway, guys, I have an upcoming workshop, Simple and Playful. And I invite you to join me to explore together why does it even matter to learn about boundary setting in a different way, especially if you're an empath. I highly recommend you to join. So we're able to navigate our bottom line with that energy of honoring. How do we honor our bottom line towards peace mentally, relationally, energetically, or even emotionally? Okay, so I'm super excited to have this webinar to play with you to see how it's going to turn out, because a lot of things will be quite intuitive, it's experiential. So feel free to sign up in the link below, and I'm so looking forward to explore this interesting topic with you. And let's reinvent a different energy toward boundary setting. But how do we be more playful in a graceful way and with childlike innocence? And I love you. We'll talk soon. Bye, guys.